Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. On my today's video I'll show you how I make this mango nougat. Just watch to the end. Sometimes when you crave for sugar or sweet things, these can be alternative to it. Here I'm using butter and I will allow it to melt. So I'm using low heat for this recipe. And I'll be adding my marshmallow. All the ingredients that I use and the right measurement, I'll be listing it on my description on my YouTube channel. Please go there and check it out. So I'll cook it until my marshmallow is melted. I'll add powdered milk and I'll keep mixing everything to well combine. You can see it's already melted. I'm adding my dehydrated mango. So you can use any fruits of your choice, any dry fruits of your choice. So I decided to use mango for this recipe. You can see everything is well combined and all melted. So I'll be pouring it into my mold. Feel free to use any mold of your choice for this recipe. I'll be spreading it so that they will be all on the same level. So I use my hand to press it down to match them to get the same level consistency. See, I will refrigerate it for 5 hours. So now after 5 hours, set. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, remember to subscribe to my channel at GLAATORY and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. Okay, you have nothing to lose. All you will gain is knowledge. Okay, and you don't need to pay for it. So why holding it back? Just subscribe and follow me. You will gain a lot. Here I'm slicing it into my desired shape that I want. So these are optional. You cut it the way you want it. So one thing about this nougat is that it's very chewy. You can see it came out so well. Hope you get to try this recipe. And remember to like my video, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.